Anti-aging tips. Take vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce free radical damage and slow the aging process of your cells. Vitamin E oil could fight inflammation and slow the effects of free radicals. Vitamin E oil has moisturizing properties to prevent or treat dry, flaking skin. Dry skin tends to look more wrinkled than well-moisturized skin. The moisturizing benefits of vitamin E oil may help the skin look more youthful and less wrinkled. Vitamin E is found in many foods including vegetable oils, cereals, meat, poultry, eggs, fruits, vegetables, and wheat germ oil. It is also available as a supplement. Take vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin and a strong antioxidant that can strengthen your body's natural defenses. It is water-soluble, which means it dissolves in water, and found in many fruits and vegetables including oranges, strawberries, kiwi fruit, bell peppers, broccoli, kale, and spinach. This may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. Vitamin C supplements have been found to lower blood pressure in both healthy adults and adults with existing high blood pressure. Vitamin C supplements have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. These supplements may lower heart disease risk factors including bad LDL cholesterol and blood triglycerides. Vitamin C-rich foods and supplements have been linked to reduced blood uric acid levels and lower risk of gout. Vitamin C may boost immunity by helping white blood cells function more effectively, strengthening your skin's defense system and helping wounds heal faster. Skin creams containing vitamin C seem to improve the appearance of wrinkled skin. Low vitamin C levels have been linked to an increased risk of memory and thinking disorders like dementia. Use sunscreen, wear hats, wear sunglasses or shades. The sun is the main damager of the skin, so wear sun protection all the time while in the sun. Shades protect the skin around your eyes and the eyes itself from sun damage. Not too much face massage. The constant stretching and pulling damages the skin. The damage being cumulative, the end result are wrinkles. Detoxify. Toxins damage the cells of your body. Detoxification is a process by which the body gets rid of unwanted toxins, which are acquired because of environmental pollutants or excessive consumption of junk, refined and processed foods. Reduce the consumption of oil, salt, and sugar to a minimum. Drink plenty of water. You can fast for about a day or two and eat only fresh fruits and veggies instead of heavy meals. Do exercise. When you exercise, you sweat a lot, and sweating is a means by which the skin eliminates some toxins. Smoothies can be made using green leafy veggies like spinach and kale, or you can also add in cucumber, lettuce, beetroot, carrot, apple, banana, and strawberries. Have a positive outlook in life. A problematic outlook in life ages a person, so keep smiling. Move to a colder climate, if possible only. Heat damage from a hot climate ages a person, while a cool climate preserves the skin. The pores contract. That's the sum of my advice regarding anti-aging. So if you diligently follow, you'll be looking youthful and fresh. If you like my presentation, consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. May God bless you with great abundance. Support me on Patreon. Patreon, good fortune, future.